Issuance and EMD. Welcome to our next session on Travelport SmartPoint. Now that we have successfully completed the basic PNR creation, the ticket can be issued by simply adding the fare code and ticket modifiers. First, retrieve the PNR by clicking on Recent PNR. The recently used or created PNRs are listed here. Double-click on the PNR to retrieve it. You can go to options to increase the number of PNRs to be displayed here. Up to 999 PNRs can be displayed. Now that the PNR is retrieved, let's store the fare with FQ command. If you wish to upsell, go to Brand Fare by clicking upon View. This will open rich content and branding information on the carrier booked. You can see that this airline is offering various brands. Let's say the passenger wants economy semi-flexi fare. Choose the same and see the additional amount to be paid on the original fare, and to select it, click on Fare Code. The ancillaries offered in this brand are given here. You can scroll and check the complete ancillaries offered. Click on Matrix to view the complete list of ancillaries offered in this brand. Hover over the icons to view the details. You can switch from one brand to another by clicking on the brand, and the fares will change as per the brand selected. Once complete, click on Close. Now let's check the fare rules. The same can be checked by clicking on Display Rules option. Click on the fare number to view the rules in the summary. Click on Fare Component to view on the penalty. Click on Fare Basis to view the complete rules. In order to generate ticket, we add and save mandatory ticket modifiers, form of payment and ITA commission. Perform TMU1 FS/Z0, where TMU1 denotes ticket modifiers updated to fare code number 1, and FS indicates form of payment is cash, and Z0 is the indicator of ITA commission, apparently 0 on the airline booked in this PNR. Save the transaction by doing r.initials plus ER. Updating the ticket modifiers is followed by ticket issuance command, that is TKPDTD, and the ticket gets issued. We see that the ticket is issued. Tab or click on the record locator to retrieve the PNR. Once the ticket is issued, there are few extra fields generated in the PNR. Click on Star All to view all the fields. You can see that the file fare is attached with the ticket number. Even from the file fare, you can go into rich content and branding by clicking on View Branded Details. Scroll down to see electronic ticketing data for both the passengers. Click on Star TE1 to view the ticket data for first passenger. Click on TE2 to view the ticket data for passenger 2. Now, what if your passenger wants to book a prepaid baggage or wants to book a lounge service? Instead of going onto the airline website, what if we can pre-book the ancillaries in this normal workflow? Click on the shopping cart, which shows the slab to excess baggage upsize along with the extra baggage for each sector per passenger. Populate the quantity of baggage to be booked. Click on Edit SSR Free Text. Choose the ancillaries from the drop-down. Add the free text. Check with the carrier the free text to be entered here. Click on Add and then click on Apply. The airline show the additional service amount to be collected as an EMD. And then click on Review. The summary shows you the description of the ancillary services booked along with the fares and the fee for the prepaid bag along with the total. Click on Apply to submit your request. The details of excess baggage get saved in the Star DAS and Star SI tab. Now, in order to issue EMD, we click on Tools and go to EMD Manager. Select the EMD to be issued. Click on the option to choose the email or printing option. The email ID is auto-picked from the email field in the booking. Update the form of payment and click on Submit. Now click on Issue to generate the EMD. You can see that the EMD is successfully generated. Close the tab. EMDL tab gets added to the PNR. The details of the EMD can be checked by clicking on EMDL and the line number of the respective EMD. Click on Star DAS to view the EMD details. And Star SI shows the excess baggage free text and the EMD number is updated against the excess baggage ASVC line. We hope you enjoyed this session. Do feel free to reach out to us for any further details. Happy selling on Travelport GDS.